Good morning from your National Weather Service Forecast Office in Fort Worth. Here's your forecast and outlook from the Tuesday, July 23rd through the weekend out to about July 28th. First of all, taking a look at the satellite image from this morning, we can see quite a bit of cloud cover for the mid-Mississippi Valley. Not a whole heck of a lot going on for us as well. Can also notice that there's quite a bit more cloud cover across the East Coast. That means their heat wave is coming to an end. But back in Texas, it's pretty much back to normal for July. We are looking at a few clouds here and there this morning and early this afternoon, but for the most part, we're going to remain very hot, very humid, and a lot more like a typical July forecast. In fact, this morning we had a high-pressure ridge that stretched all the way from the Great Basin back into southeastern Texas. Pretty much south winds, hot, humid conditions. Unfortunately, it's going to continue to build in. High pressure is going to settle into the Texas Panhandle by Wednesday afternoon, and even by Friday, we'll continue to see that high pressure ridge pretty much in control all the way through. The good news is by late Friday, we are going to see a weak cool front come through. It's technically a cold front. We will see the wind shift just a little bit, but we're not talking cold. Last week we saw temperatures in the 70s and 80s. With this next front, we are talking temperatures mainly into the low 90s instead of mid to upper 90s, so it's not that much of a difference, but every little bit helps. Unfortunately, it's going to be short-lived as we see the high-pressure ridge continue to build back in by Sunday and Monday, and that means another week of hot, humid conditions. For Dallas-Fort Worth, temperatures today very close to the 100-degree mark. In fact, they're going to stay that way through Friday. By Saturday and Sunday, temperatures will drop back down into the low to mid-90s. For Waco, more or less the same thing. A little bit cooler today because we've got a little bit more cloud cover to the south. 93 to 99 degrees through Saturday, but temperatures getting back up into the 100-degree mark. And for Sherman-Denison, well, temperatures staying right around 95 to 98 degrees through Friday, dropping down into the mid-90s. And for Temple and Killeen, 97 degrees the next 2 or 3 days, jumping up to 100 degrees or so by Friday before cooling back down to around 95 to 97 degrees by Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Well, thanks for joining us. For more information, please visit our homepage, www.weather.gov/Fort Worth. And if you have any kind of questions or comments about this service, please feel free to give us an email at sr-fwd.webmaster@noaa.gov.